Hello guys, in this video we're doing percentages. So I want to do a quick revision of what we've been doing in primary, where we've been expressing fractions as a percentage as well as decimals as a fraction. So I want to see how to express fractions as a percentage, which is the first part of our questions, which says express the following fractions as a percentage. A is 7/10. So for us to express a fraction as a percentage, we just have to multiply that fraction by 100. So this 7/10 as a percentage is 7/10 multiplied by 100. Then we get 70%. Then 15/25. To express it as a percentage, we also have to multiply it by 100. This is equal to 25 into 100. It's 4 times 4 multiplied by 15, which is equal to 60. So our answer is 60%. Express the following decimals as a percentage, which is 32. So in this case, this decimal can be equivalent. It can be a fraction. You can change it to fraction, or you can just multiply with 100. So it's 0.23 multiplied by 100. Then we get 23%. Also 0.03% is 0.03 as a percentage. We need to multiply by 100. This is by 100. We get, if we are multiplying by 100, our comma is here. So we move, you check the number of zeros that we have is 2. So we move 2 steps to the right, which is 1, 2. And it becomes 3,0, which is equivalent to 3. So our answer is 3%. The cost of a machine is 400 Rand and its selling price is 500 Rand. Calculate the cost of a machine as a percentage of its selling price. So in this case, we want to express 400 over 500 as a percentage. That's what the question is asking us to do. So what we need to do, we must know our cost price of a machine, which is 400 Rand, and its selling price is 500 Rand. So as a percentage, it is equal to 400, which is our cost price, over 500 multiplied by 100. This is equal to, these zeros can cancel, so I'm left with 4 over 5 multiplied by 100, and 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 100, 20 times 20 multiplied by 4 is equal to 80%. That's our answer. If Kelvin earns a salary of 20,000, you put 40% into savings, 10% grocery, 5% electricity, and 45% other of his salary. Calculate how much do Kelvin spends on savings, electricity, and grocery. So here we need to find how much is 40% of 20,000, as well as how much is 10% of 20,000, and how much is 5% of 20,000. So that's what the question is asking us to do. So we're gonna start with savings. Number 1, savings is spending 40%. So this is 40% of 20,000. So 40% as a fraction is the same as 40 over 100 multiplied by 20,000. This is equivalent to this one. These 2 zeros can cancel. We're left with 200 multiplied by 40. We get 8,000. That is the amount Kelvin is going to put into his savings account. Let's see how much is electricity. Electricity is 5% of the salary. So it's 5/100 multiplied by 20,000. This is equal to those two zeros cancels. 200 multiplied by 5, we get 1,000. Then number 3 is grocery. This one is going to spend 10%. So this is 10/100 multiplied by 20,000, which is equal to 10/100 multiplied by 20,000. Those two zeros cancels. 200 multiplied by 10, we get 2,000. So it's gonna spend 2,000 on grocery. So if you want to find the 45% of the other, it's just 45/100 multiplied by 20,000. If you add those amounts, they must add up to 20,000.